Our love cannot be with us all the time. Our family cannot be with us all the time. And our friend cannot be with us all the time. Of course, there is a wonderful time to be with them. But sometimes when you are alone, when we are alone, there is a guy. If you are a woman, there is her. If you are a man, and there is him, to be with you all the time. You can see him in the mirror, and you can see him. You cannot see him in the outside, but everywhere you go, there is a person looking at you. You will think, nobody know I can do this, but there is a secret one looking at you in the sky. And there is a saying, sometimes you decide on your life, if you do this for 100 years, and if you look back, it is stay worldwide. We are going to try to be with him, to be with you. The second chance is, don't miss the deep conversation. Of course, money is important to traveling and to create deep conversation with the earlier friend, with the friend. Some we call in the near when the future become the present, when the present become the memory, the future become the present become the memory. To be the good memory, the future blend, and the present we are live as much as we can to be good, to stay just we are stay alive is okay. Sometimes we think something like in the present moment to be, sometimes we may be sad, and sometimes we may be happy, and there may be some many situations in the present. We are past every day, but one in 5 years, 10 years, when some people we don't miss so long, and we see again, there will be some peacefully in the mind. Even the money is a little and the money is too much, it's not depend on that. Of course, the money is important and it can look good sometimes, but just meet 5 years, 10 years, the memory, and we meet again is so wonderful time. So don't miss the deep conversation and the memory bring back. Make it clear to be with him. He is everywhere and she is everywhere. We are going to try to practice to be with you, to be with him, to be peacefully, and making the deep conversation, make the money, and if we use the money to create a way to the deep conversation, one in a long time, that will be wonderful. About use money mindfully is a good way. And every day we are now passing the situation. Some day will be missing, some day will be crazy, some day will be talking, some day will be maybe calling, or will be happy, can be sad or rainy, shining, sunny, maybe it can be anything, but the bad day is only 24. hour. The good day is only 24 hours. So every day when we start the day, we are going to practice. We are going to train ourselves about just today, just 24 hours. We keep up ourselves. Whatever the situation come, whatever happening, just 12 hours, just 24 hours. We will try as much as we can. We try our best. Sometimes we can do, sometimes we can't. Maybe it's okay. And there's only 24 hours. We keep ourselves up and we learn. And we pass the situation. We pass the time. Another 24 hours. We keep ourselves up and we pass the time. Sometimes we are learning happily. Something like that about the more you learn, the more you earn, and you return. Just like this. When we are missing for so long, there will be learning time. You are learning, I am learning, and we are learning. And it's sometimes, maybe not all the time, but just think about funny how to do is the final composition is just think, is this a game? How you play is just play the game. Sometimes you are doing, it's about playing, eating, sleeping, going, or is playing. Maybe now the conversation is why we so long, but there also many people, or not many people said, money must start the game. This will be true, and we are going to try this. And you are also trying. We go play the game every day, and we learning together. So something like that. Okay, I need to stop now. Okay. Thank you for your coming. Thank you for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye for now. Try something new. If it is not wonderful for you, be with him. He is everywhere. You will see in the mirror. Just look at it and take care of him very well. All will be gone. Everything is all is well. All is well and everything will be okay.